Alright class. We will be learning about the azalea chambering dingo attack back in 1980s. Hey, who just burped in my classroom?
It was me, sir. I'm really sorry.
That was really gross, noedolekciN.
I agreed with Shadow. Why on earth did you burp in here?
Dark noedolekciN. How dare you burp in class? That's IT. Go to the principal's office right now.
But, I'm sorry.
Stop making excuses and go right now.
So Dark noedolekciN, why are you in my office today?
I burped in class and Murdala sent me here.
What have gotten into you, Dark noedolekciN? That was really gross. That's it. You're suspended for weeks. Go home right now.
Dark noedolekciN! How dare you burp in class? You know it's really rude. That's right, T. You are grounded for 9 weeks. Go to your room right freaking now.